Hello and welcome back to the latest episode of Logistics 9's Yiwu Market Tour Vlog. Today we're excited to browse the amazing collection of baby supplies at China's popular wholesale hub Yiwu International Trade Mart. So get ready to be wowed by aisles overflowing with tiny clothes, comfy cribs, and all the must-haves for a happy and healthy baby. Welcome to the world of baby fashion. From cozy onesies to adorable rompers, the vibrant selection here features a range of trendy designs, comfortable fabrics, and sizes to cater to every little one. Don't forget the essentials like soft socks to keep tiny toes warm. You can complete your baby fashion inventory with their delightful range of accessories, from tiny shoes to soft mittens and caps. Importers can source everything to keep little ones snug and stylish. Sweet dreams are guaranteed with Yiwu's variety of baby bedding supplies. From cute crib sheets to cozy blankets, each piece is crafted with the utmost care to create a serene sleeping environment for little ones. Remember to look for high-quality materials, trendy patterns, and features like waterproofing for easy cleaning. Next up, we have the ever-important diapering essentials. Yiwu offers a full range of diapers, baby wipes, rash creams, and stylish diaper bags to keep everything organized on the go. Also, check out the latest in their range of innovative products like changing mats, diaper inserts, and diaper sprayers to cater to every parent's needs. You can browse for a wide variety of free baby bottles, bottle warmers, nursing pillows, bibs, and more such products to make feeding time easy. Let's check into the world of baby gear. Here, you can see a vast variety in strollers for every terrain, from lightweight joggers to all-terrain models. They also have a comprehensive range of car seats featuring the latest safety technology, ensuring smooth and secure journeys for little ones. For playtime fun, check out the collection of baby swings featuring soothing melodies and gentle motions. Yiwu Market will help you ensure a safe environment by stocking up on comprehensive baby-proofing kits featuring furniture edge guards and other essential items. A few stores here also offer baby first aid kits, thermometers, nasal aspirators, and products perfect for addressing minor health concerns quickly and effectively. Let's not forget playtime. The stores at Yiwu International Trade Mart are always bursting with engaging toddler and baby toys. You can shop for the most adorable plushies and soft toys, inflatables, rattles, and teething rings, play gyms, and even playroom equipment like swings and slides. Bath time becomes a breeze with Yiwu's selection of baby bathtubs, gentle shampoos, baby washes, hooded towels, and bath toys. Look for soothing products that are tear-free and safe for delicate skin. Every nursery needs stylish and functional furniture. Yiwu Market offers cribs in various styles and sizes, changing tables for easy diaper changes, dressers for storage, and rocking chairs for soothing lullabies. Consider importing a variety of styles, materials, and space-saving options to cater to different needs. Don't forget travel essentials, portable changing pads, compact cribs for on-the-go comfort, travel bottle warmers for convenient feeding, and functional car seat organizers to keep everything within reach. Looking for ideal gifts to add to your inventory? Yiwu's got you covered with a range of charming baby and mom gift sets. You can choose from a variety of themed gift hampers overflowing with essentials to newborn gift sets with charming outfits and accessories. These pre-curated gift sets offer convenience for busy parents and strong profit margins for you. Finally, let's not forget the importance of early learning. The educational products section boasts a range of stimulating baby books, soft alphabet blocks, and interactive toys designed to promote kids' cognitive development and sensory exploration. This is just a glimpse of the incredible selection of baby supplies at Yiwu Market. As an importer or wholesaler, you have the opportunity to cater to a wide range of needs and preferences. With this tour, we hope you've identified exciting possibilities to stock your shelves and contribute to the joy of parenthood. If any of these beautiful products caught your eye and you'd like to import them, just drop us a WhatsApp message. Check out more Yiwu Market videos on our channel, where we take you on a journey to explore exciting wholesale products crafted in China's best factories. Thanks for watching.